So last class we started doing synopsis. Okay. In that synopsis, some results we wrote related to problems. If we start doing problems, you will get some more extra results. So in that any extra results if I am giving, write down in the place of synopsis, so that you will get more results. So we start first doing problems. Okay. In that problems, you will get that assignment. One assignment we are sending. In that assignment, we will start problems. All the models we discussed. In addition to that assignment, you can also do some problems. Okay. Now, this is your assignment. Right? See, here, very simple, minus 13 pi by 6. Whenever there is a pi, called radians. Pi means radians. Okay. He is asking in terms of degrees. In terms of degrees means we know that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, minus 13 into minus all are degrees, 390 degrees. Not difficult, easy only. Second problem, cot 1, 3, 5, 8, tan 3, 6, 0, 8. Big numbers. Whenever you have big number, what is the method I told you? You have to write in terms of 360. Okay. If you are not sleeping, then you can do definitely in terms of 360. 4 into 360. How much? 1240. 1240. 1240. Balance how much? 1358. 118. 118. Here 3000. 10 into 360. 3600. Plus 8. Once you write in 360, I told you, ignore that. Leave this. Okay. Now, cot 118, tan 8. Right? Cot of 118. Tan 8. Therefore, 118 can be written now. 90 plus how much? 18. 90 plus 10, 28. This is tan 18 is asking only. Okay. Therefore, 1358 1358 4 into 360, 1240. Okay. Right. Here, tan 8 degrees I will not change anything only. What we do is now cot 90 plus theta. Second quadrant. Co-function. So it becomes minus tan. Number is not good. 1358 3608 3608 I am writing 4 into 360 1240. Suppose it is 118, correct? Cot 118, correct? Number 118 we are getting. That is not correct. Here. This is 1440. All wrong multiplication because slipping all are 4 into 360 1440. Okay, 1440 means how much extra you have here? Actually they gave 1358 only. 1440 minus 1358 subtracting 82. That means you have here extra number. How much is extra? Minus 82. We have to write minus 82. Therefore, minus cot 82 and tan 82. Completed. Number only calculation. Now, minus 90 minus 8. Very clear. Minus tan 8 is problem necessary. Therefore 0. That is why value 0. Now see second option. Now write down third problem is sin of minus 660 multiplied by tan 1050 secant minus 420. Your number 420. Very good number. All are 420 only. Cos 225. So secant of 315 cos 510. No value they want. What is here? One by one numbers simplified. That means using our first table ratios. Already two formula we wrote for 90 270 and 180 360. We have two results using them. See, first one consider sin of minus theta is minus sin of 66. Therefore, we consider 2 into 360 720 minus 60 minus sin 60. Therefore, root 3 by 2. Tan 1050. We will write 3 into 360 1080 minus 30 minus tan 30 minus 1 by root 3. Secant of negative same only. 420 is 360 plus 60. Ignore all these 360s. Secant 60, which is 1 by cos 60. Therefore 2. Now 225 180 plus 45. Third quadrant. Cos is positive, same function. Cos 180 means third quadrant tan is positive. Minus cos, therefore minus 1 by. Next 360 minus 45. Therefore minus cosecant 45 minus 2. Cos 5 times given 360 150, which is 150. 90 plus 60. Second quadrant. Cos is negative. 90. You get cofunction. Minus sin 60. Minus root 3 by 2. All terms are substitute there. First number how much is? Root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by root 3. 2 by minus 1 by root 2 minus root 2 minus root 3 by 2. All minus sign 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2 jump over. Root 3 by 2 jump over. Root 2 here jump over. Therefore, we are actually remaining with 2 by root 3. Here 2, here. All 4 minus signs positive. This is for practicing only. This type of problems will not be in the exam, but practice we need. That is why we are doing that. That is what the third option. Next, fourth problem. Sin 48 degrees, secant 42. Cos 48, cosecant 42. We don't know values. Okay, values not there. Unknown values. Now, this is secant 42. We can write 90 minus 48. Okay, we can write it. Cos is as it is cosecant 90 minus 48. For 90, 270 cofunction. Cofunction meaning Cy is not there, we are writing. Cy is there, we remove that. And first quadrant only positive, no objection, therefore cosecant 48. Cos 48, secant 48. We know cosecant is 1 by sin. Secant is 1 by cos. What is next step? Very clear. All are cancelled. Therefore, 1 1. Simple problems only we are starting. Okay? In the beginning, very easy models. Slowly standard will come. Next logarithmic model. See, problem number 5. Log tan 17. Log tan 37. Log tan 53. Log tan 73. He asked value. Logarithm related problem. Okay? It is only with the log. Now, what to do is first simplification, trigonometric terms simplify. That is, you take third and fourth terms. Then what you do is tan 53 is there, can be written as 90 minus 47. tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Okay. Consider 73 is tan 90 minus 90 minus 73 18 17. Okay, 73 18 90. Therefore cot 70. Write down these two here and here. Log tan 17 first term, log tan 37 second term. Now third term we are writing log cot 37. 90 minus 53, this is 37. Why you write 47? 37 right? Okay. Here log cot 70. What is next? You see these two. Log m plus log n, formula write down. Already you know in 10th class also. Okay. Log m plus log n is log m. These two combined, first to last to combine. First to last to combine, what is now? Tan cot cancel. Tan cot cancel. Cancel. Then what is remaining here? Properties write down in logarithms. We know log 1 to any base is 0. Okay? Log 1 is 0. Therefore, we have some properties in between we are getting. This logarithm chapter is not in regular syllabus, but they are useful in so many problems in other chapters in first year and second year, everywhere we are getting. So write down. Similarly, what is other property here? Log 1 base A 0. Okay? Like this we will get some results. Now, see here again, sixth problem. Cos 24 plus 55 125 204. Simplification is asking values. Okay, simplify. Okay, no problem. What we do is these two we are changing. First two terms are same. 125 can be written as 180 minus 55. 55 correct. 204 we can write 180 plus 24. For 180 and 360, same function. Okay. According to coordinate, you are writing. What is this? 180 minus theta, second quadrant. This is 180. Minus is here, plus is here. Second quadrant cos is negative. So minus cos 55. 180 plus third quadrant cos negative. Then what is next result? Cancel. All cancel. Finally 0. Very important. Now we are doing 7th to 8th. Very direct. Very important. This models even given in NDA exams also. Okay, TET everywhere. For that 7th and 8th, we will write one formula. That is very useful because formula itself also they can ask as a question. Therefore, write down secant A plus important result. Secant A plus tan A is B. They can ask any one of the 6 functions. Suddenly I will ask you, suppose what is secant A or tan A, anything. We have an identity. Okay. Whenever the plus is given, minus is how much? Minus. Secant A minus tan A. Reciprocal. Why? What is the result? Since secant square minus tan square is 1, A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B. Here plus is given a substitute. You are calculating minus sign. If they give minus, we calculate plus. That is the reason this is very useful identity. If plus is given, minus. That's why I wrote here. Adding both equations, 2 secant A is equal to P plus 1 by 2. Or P square plus 1 by P. Then secant A is equal to, that is a very useful formula. P can be any number. From secant any function you can calculate. What is cos A? 2P by, you can draw the triangle 2P, P square plus 1. This minus this one. P square minus 1. Okay. Now, what is sin A value from this? Because it is A plus B whole square minus 4B square. This is why I wrote. Sin A, P square minus 1 by. If they give any P value, you will get the answer. Suppose if you consider here, 7th problem 3. What is P value? 3. 7th, 8th both are possible. Now find out what is secant A value. Substitute P value 3 here. 9 plus 1 by 2 into 3. Therefore 5 by second option. Same way they will ask you quadrant also. Same problem, number also same, you are getting different number. If they ask quadrant, once you know secant is nothing but it is cos A only, 3 by 5. Calculate sin A, P square minus 1, 9 minus 1, P square plus 1, 9 plus 1, 8 by 10, 4 by 5. Now you see, both are positive. Both are positive. Where you will get both are positive? Okay. Equal to 3. Therefore, A belongs to first quadrant. This problem I gave only for this lesson. Suppose if they give 8th problem like this. What is 8th problem? Secant theta minus tan theta given. Okay. As well, same only. If they give minus, then what is secant plus tan? 1 by 3. Same reason. Adding 2 secant theta 3 secant theta 5 by 3 cos theta 3 by 5. Okay, he is asking the quadrant. What you do, this secant theta substitute here. 5 by 3 minus tan theta. 5 by 3 minus 3 is tan theta. Finally, what is our answer? Tan theta 5 minus 9 minus 4 by 5. Now you see. You got cos positive or tan negative? Cos positive, tan negative. Where is that theta value? Definitely it belongs to fourth quadrant. That means in this problem, two questions possible. Either they will ask you value or they will ask you the quadrant. For both of them, same concept. If they give plus, you write minus. If you don't know formula, you derive everything there itself only. Like this, you derive it, you get the answer. So both 7 and 8 completed. Yesterday, last class, I did the 10th problem, 9th problem. What is 9th? Last time I gave example. Sin 10, 20, 30, 40, up to 360. Yesterday only, last class we did it. That is here now, 9th. Okay, that is your 9th problem. Now, 10th. See, important. Very good. 3 times sin x minus cos x power 4. 6 sin plus cos whole square plus 4 sin power 6 cos power 6. He is asking value. One idea I will tell you. Okay, you don't tell to anyone. Always tell us only. Okay, therefore the problem is in terms of even number, even power. Definitely they will ask even powers only. Okay, either inside or outside. Any even number, 20, 30, 40, 2000, 2020, anything, but not odd number. Underline outside these numbers. What are the outside numbers you have? S means sum. 3 plus 6 plus 4. This is the answer. Okay? So, that is about what is the idea here? A summation of terms with even powers. This type of model, any problem, outside numbers only. Suppose if they give minus here with minus only. Okay, if this is minus, minus you consider. Answer final. All outside numbers only. Okay, 11th is very good, important. Very important problem. Therefore, next class I will start. Okay.